We now move on to example number 3. Alright, so again, step 1, to number the equations as equation 1 and 2. So we have the top one here as equation 1 and the bottom one as equation 2. Our second step is to use one of the equations and rewrite it in terms of a single variable. And I think, well, I'm hoping at this point it's obvious that the one we will modify will be equation 2. So we can say that y is equal to, let me just fix that, y is equal to negative 3x plus 1. Okay, we want this equation to be either y is equal to or x is equal to, right? So both these terms here need to make their way to the right hand side of our equation. Our next step is to number that new equation as number 3 in purple, so that's what I'm doing. The step thereafter says to substitute equation 3 into the unaltered equation. This is the unaltered equation, and so we substitute equation 3 in purple into equation 1 in green. So we substitute that equation into equation number 1, and we find that equation 1, who is previously 5x minus 2y minus 9 equal to 0, we now replace y with this value, this binomial on the right, and so this is now 5x minus 2, and we replace it with minus 3x plus 1. Okay, all that minus 9 equals 0. And now it's just a matter of solving this equation. Just keep in mind we need our variable on the left and we need our constant value on the right. Okay, the value of x is equal to 1, and now we go ahead and we substitute our answer into equation 3. So we substitute x is equal to 1 into equation 3, and equation 3 says that y is equal to negative 3x plus 1, and so y is equal to negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2. Right? Finally, we can test our equation. We can use the second one. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. Let's just take the second one, which says that y, which says that y plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we need to go ahead and check if that is the case. So y plus 3x minus 1 equals 0. So we substitute our values. Remember, if the values that we find works out, makes this equal to 0, then it means that what we found is correct. Okay, so this value over here is going to give us minus 3 plus 3, which is in actual fact equal to 0. Easy, right? So what this means is that the values we found are correct.